po yung ginagawa to maintain your beauty, your good skin?
I think first I have to credit like my genetics, like my mamita, my mom, and like both sides. I think they're blessed with good skin, so I can't take full credit. But I'd say na, because I also have like certain skin conditions, so I also maintain with like my own ointments, and then actually just moisturizer. Parang my skin care steps are just cleansing, moisturize, and then sunscreen. Yun lang. So parang the less for me is better. So, I mean, it could differ for other people, but for me that, and parang super addict ako sa water. Like, that's also good. Always hydrated, and then, happiness.
Anong importance po sa inyo na staying fresh, staying pretty every day?
Anong importance? I guess because if you feel good about yourself, like inside and out, it affects your whole mood, like how you work, how you live. So, not just like feeling physically good, but it also affects kasi like how you feel like inside.
Segue na lang po kami. This is the first time na ma-interview ko ulit ng Miller, like right after Batang Quiapo.
Oh, okay.
Segue na rin po namin ito. Una, first is the reaction. Everyone's love. It's your debut TV series mo, right?
Yeah.
Everyone loves it. Like, parang,
Thank
Ara
you.
Davao is great. Like, she portrayed her role nicely for the first time. Ano po reaction niyo po niya?
Oh my gosh, hindi ko in-expect like getting that series kasi dati talaga napapanood ko lang. And alam to ni Direk Coco, like fan ako, like yung mga pelikula niya pinapanood ko. So it was such a blessing talaga and super thankful to the whole team. And my reaction, yun, overall thankful, grateful. I made so many good friends there. Imagine yung una kong mga naka-eksena sila Ma'am Charo na Tita Tessie Tomas. So ang dami kong naging bagong mentors and of course Direk Coco.
Trying this kind of field, ito na po ba yung gusto niyong tahakin as an actress, as a movie actress? Meaning field, action, same role.
Actually, hindi naman ako nag-action doon. But I think for me, since I'm just starting, dami ko pang gustong i-explore. Like yung role ko kasi doon is more of like demure, parang hindi siya masyadong lumaban. So, di ba next time sana, siguro palaban role naman. Like, ang dami talagang possibilities na endless na gusto ko pang i-explore.
Meron pa kayong ideal na genre that you want to do in your next projects?
Siguro rom-com. Para maano ko yung kalog side. Para makita yung kalog side ko.
May person po ba kayo or artist in your mind that you want to work with?
Oh my gosh, parang Joshua Garcia. And fan ako ng Incognito ngayon. So,
sila Kayla.
And friend ko talaga si Kyla in real life. So, ang dami. Super dami.
Chances po ba na sumama or makasali kayo for Incognito?
Well, sana. Kung may chance, why not, di ba? Hindi pa ako nag-action. Hindi pa ako nag-action.
Pointers na lang from your dad. Anong ano niya kasi nga I see you in events with your dad. Pero wala siya ngayon. Pero ano yung ano niya, binigay niya na lang sa iyo ng mga lessons sa tungkol sa showbiz and acting in particular.
I think kasi for my dad, yung una is yung ugali mo. Kailangan professional ka, you're nice to everyone. And then just syempre yung technique, you work on that. But yung una talaga is yung you're early, yung good habits. Kasi doon talaga nagsisimula.
Sige. Since nata showbiz, pinasok ko na yung showbiz, ready ka na for love team ba? Makapareha kung sino man ibigay sa yung leading man.
I mean, again, it will depend sa project. Parang not closing any doors. Or wala naman ngayon, but then, depends siguro sa project. Na. Minsan kasi may mga unexpected na hindi naman kayo pinipare. And then,
Tapos,
biglang, yeah.
Women's Month, sorry. Sige, go.
Any other projects this 2025? Or would you say na this year would be a very busy year for you?
Well, the movie I shot with Inigo, I'm not sure when it's coming out, yung Fatherland. Pero I was filming that kasi sabay ng Batang Quiapo. So, I think this year it should be out. Yeah. Yun, but Direk Joel naman, naka-work ko din siya after Batang Quiapo. So,
then, follow up ko lang. Do you have any pressure that both your parents are actress and actor?
syempre nandun na yun, but hindi ka naman pwede mag-focus doon. Kailangan thankful ka na lang na may guidance ka. May extra guidance na, di ba yung ibang kids, parang advantage ko yun, I'd say, na I have them.
Sorry.